Congratulations, Letters in Science, Computer Science class of 2021. You are receiving your computer science degree from the greatest public university on earth, the University of California, Berkeley. Congratulations also on completing your degree in 2021. You can be extremely proud of what you were able to accomplish this year. Dealing with extraordinary adversity this year and last year is going to stand you in good stead for the challenges you're going to face in your future careers. You can really wear your class of 2021 identity with special pride. You can conquer any challenge. I hope and expect that many of you are able to celebrate with your families. This is the time to thank them for everything they've done and the sacrifices they've made for you. It's also an excellent time to listen to your parents' stories of their time after leaving school or college and making their own way in the world. You're probably going to see them in a different light from now on, much more like you, and you can start to understand better how they navigated their own life's journey. Enjoy this opportunity. As computer scientists, you have more influence on people's quality of life than ever before, and probably more than any other technology in history. Whether it's through social media, quality of information that people receive, health technology, applications in physical or social sciences, security and privacy, knowledge work, or education, you're equipped to make people's lives better. But making people's lives better is not that easy. Technologies discriminate now in many ways, and a large part of our mission as computer scientists today is to try to repair those disparities. We also have to seek out ways to apply information technologies in ways that benefit everyone, not just a lucky few and not just for a profit margin. Finally, please remember that you'll impact other people's lives in many other ways. You're going to be teammates, managers, mentors, advisors, parents, children probably for most of you, and friends. Your life's work is to build relationships as well as engineering and research products. Those relationships can make you stronger. They can empower you to do great things. And they change the little piece of the world around you for the better. And the world is made up of those little pieces. So let's collectively try to make it better. So I've given you some pretty hard homework, but don't worry, you have 5 or 6 or 7 decades to do it. So one more time, Letters in Science, Computer Science graduates, congratulations. Go Bears, and I want to see you on campus next time.